Because of COVID-19, businesses are struggling. Small companies are struggling to stay afloat, and non-remote positions have become impossible to maintain. The entire field of marketing has essentially become digitalized. These are 5 tips on how to boost your digital marketing strategy during COVID-19. Why fight to maintain a marketing strategy that's outdated, and why not boost and improve the digital aspect? The first step is to use analytic tools. To rebuild your marketing strategy, you have to look at your current analytics. It'll give you a good starting place. Google Analytics is a great tool to view engagement and statistics across your platforms. The second tip is to find your target audience. This is a key aspect of any marketing strategy, but especially in digital marketing. A target audience is key for deciding which social medias, types of content, and overall marketing strategy to use. For example, if your product is targeted towards experienced professionals, it wouldn't be a good idea to advertise on TikTok or Instagram, but rather you should use LinkedIn and a company website to reach the specific demographic. The third tip is to implement conversation-based marketing. COVID-19 and all the quarantines have limited face-to-face contact, and people become more antisocial and lonely. The best thing that a company can do is to make personal connections. You can use chat boxes, links to social media platforms, and phone calls to use this. A customer can feel much more supported and have a connection with your business if you do this. The fourth tip is to regularly update. Your marketing team should constantly be adding new ads, designs, and features. This will make your websites more user-friendly, and adapting to current issues can make the brand and company much more personal. The fifth and final tip is to follow the trends. Regular updates are important, but following trends is essential to your strategy. When targeting a specific audience especially, doing research about hashtags, platforms, and trends can make a huge difference in engagement. I hope that these 5 tips will help boost your digital marketing strategy.